Hey, so I figured while I got everything all cleaned up here, I'd make a video on everyone I got. Still need to get them some water here, just put some food in. But I'm pretty sure I have this one in here alone. Unless somebody escaped, which I don't think is the case. Yeah, no. So this is a female that I have in here alone. She is obviously not pregnant. You can tell by like that. She might be early pregnant. It's hard to tell. But I produce this one myself, so I don't really have anyone that wants to eat her right now, so females can hang. That's the mother of all my mice. I believe she is pregnant by this male. Like this. See how wide she is? See how that curve right in the middle there? And she's starting to lactate. So I got mouse babies coming. That's good news. And then in here, she's probably getting ready to start nesting here. She's definitely pregnant. This one is very pregnant, as we can see. There we go. So she's gonna give birth probably really soon. I got her by herself. A little bit of water, a little bit of food. And those are all my mice. As far as rats go. Food, water for them. I have 5 or 6 in here right now. That's a male. This female is pregnant, I can tell because it's so swollen. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 males, 3 females. I believe I have 2 pregnant females right now. Continuing with rats. She built a really nice nest here. We're not gonna bother her too much, but she has full pinkies. They're like a day or 2 old here. Hi, mamas. There we go. So these are like 2 days old, maybe. I don't know how many she has, a lot. They just keep coming, so. Move her over here. Get my girl Squeaky. Squeaky's got a gang of pups. They're about to open their eyes. Were born, what is it today, the 14th? They were born on the 1st, so they're 2 weeks today. Their eyes should be open today or tomorrow. I'm surprised they haven't opened yet. They're definitely walking around, moving, stuff like that. Let's see, same as the mom color-wise. This is the one that I had a mom abandon the litter. And I combined litters and got some good luck. She kept some of them, didn't keep others. And these are like the 2 colors I got out of them. So it's hard to tell who the mom of what pups were, but some of them were big, some of them were small. Again, no eyes open yet. Which I'm surprised about. Normally by now, got eyes open. See? They're coming today for sure. Let's see if I can help her out here. isn't quite ready yet. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Want your baby back? Hey, Squeakies. She's a good mom. So yeah, that's all my rodents right now. Only like this little consolidated area. Those are all empty back here. I need to get them ready to rock and roll. And then I got my guitars, which I never play in the summer. My basses, I mean. I'm usually outside. Xbox, TV, gecko, bunch of bullshit and supplies. Thanks for watching, guys.